YouTuber. The next problem I faced was losing a lot of subscribers overnight. Scratching my head for 2 days, I spoke to my friends and came to know that more or less most of them were facing the same problem of loss in their subscription. I really didn't know what to do next. To find a solution, I dug deep into all the videos of YouTube techies. I understood a few things which I would like to share with all my friends through this video. So watch the video till the end. Blocked accounts. Some YouTube channels get blocked, and if the blocked channel has subscribed or liked your channel, the subscription or like is removed. As a result, this leads to loss of subscription. Closed accounts. Some people close their accounts because of some reasons, and their account gets into the inactive policy after 6 months. If these accounts have subscribed or liked any of your videos, it gets removed. This also leads to subscription loss. Closed email accounts. People make email ID in order to like and subscribe for sub, which also comes under the scanner, which also leads to subscription loss. So the next thing is spamming. When someone watches our video less than 3 minutes and subscribe, like our videos, then it goes under spam, and this results in loss of subscription. When people watch a video, they should comment something related to the video. If it is cooking video, people have to say something about cooking rather than something else. This could also lead to subscription loss. When we share links or vice versa, we are under the scanner. They go under likely spam comments. There are some keywords, symbols which YouTube considers as spam. So what happens is either we use this or the opposite side uses it. Both of us comes under the scanner. Websites. Sometimes to increase our subscribers, we also join some free or paid website. These also come under scanner and is later removed. Also remember a very important thing. Due to the scamming, this is possible that you lose your monetization.